in this moment, here and now, be here with me. Here, there's no need to, just for this moment, make anything change. Right now, there is absolutely no need to make something happen or to realize something. Acknowledge for a second how you are always in this moment trying to make something happen, trying to change something or get somewhere else. It is this constant movement that you're subscribing to. The constant movement here is sort of leading to a restlessness and a constant movement here. If peace is what you wish for, if happiness is what you wish for, then you need to, just for this moment, step out of this change and motion into the changeless. You need to step out of mind, which is always trying to change and manipulate and gain or protect, into the changeless. What is the changeless? You. You are the changeless. Again, in this moment, acknowledge yourself maybe even trying to understand what I'm saying, or analyze what I'm saying, or interpreting my words, or maybe interpreting my appearance, or what you see in the video. See this constant movement happening. In order to be free of the constant movement, we must understand that it's actually happening. We must see clearly that, wow, I really am always just inside of this chase. And look at how much energy is going into this chase for change. In this quest for achievement, or this quest to avoid. Also acknowledge that this constant motion, constant movement, is always seeking to escape just being here. Step out of it, just for the now. Is mind saying, how do I step out of it? Simply acknowledge even that and let it be, needing nothing to do about that. Is mind saying, how do I do it? Again, simply recognize it without any need to do anything about it. It's just an expression of the same movement we are trying to step out of, To step out means to realize that you are already out, that you are the seer, seeing from outside. Something trying to interpret these words, trying to visualize these words. See it. Don't do anything about it. Don't go further into it. You see how simple it is? Something saying, oh, it's not that easy, I don't get it. Just see it. Acknowledge it and let it be. Don't go further into it. Don't believe in it. Don't need anything to do about it. Getting the point? Be the seeing in which all of this movement continues to try to arise and pull you in, to make you forget yourself. But don't forget yourself. Mind saying, oh, I already forgot myself. Why do I keep falling into it? Just see even this. Let it be. Don't believe in it. Is mind saying, oh, this sounds too repetitive and redundant? Again, just see it. Let it be. Are you seeing now how mind is saying a billion things at any given moment, all the time? And it's saying so many things, and you're just sort of believing in all these things and sort of becoming and going with these things. Being in a chase you don't even know you're in. From inside the chase, you start to begin to call this chase life and take it for granted. And then someone tells you that it doesn't always have to be this way, and you look at them like they're crazy. Because you look at the world and everybody's living in this way. Normal isn't always right. And for sure, from your own experience, you can tell how normal is keeping you restless. It's keeping you in pain and suffering. And that is why you watch videos like this. To be free of normal. To investigate into the nature of what is. To become aware of all the contradictions of mind. The mind which does everything it does, that wants everything it wants because of happiness, because of peace. But in its very chase for peace, it disturbs the natural peace which you essentially are. I wonder if you're seeing this contradiction. Mind saying, I don't get it, let it be. As I said, there's no need to understand. There's no need to get. There's no need to make something happen. There's no need to realize. There's no need to do. Just for this moment, can you just be here with me as you are, without adding anything onto yourself, without trying to be a this or that, a so-and-so, a somebody, without trying to gain something, even knowledge. Can you drop even your expectation that you have of me right now to teach you something, or you have of this video to, better your life, or whatever it may be right now? Just be empty. Be here. This emptiness of content is what you need. It's what makes you understand and realize that maybe something other than normal is possible. It opens your eyes up to what is. Acknowledge all the judgments and interpretations maybe arising right now in mind. Just let them be. No need to go into them. No need to dwell on them. No need to give them any significance. Again, mind saying, how long should I do this for? Acknowledge and let it be. See that even this thought is trying to make something happen, is trying to use this very thing as a technique or tool to make something happen for a better imagined future. See this. It's just mind trying to escape this and pull you into some imaginary future. This is the trap you keep falling for. This is the trap that keeps you in fear, in restlessness. And you're being given the key right now to observe and let be, to acknowledge and not believe in, to rest as you are. You're out and about doing what you want in the middle of a lot of activity, and you say thinking needs to happen and thinking needs to be done, whatever. It's fine. Acknowledge it. Let it be. Let the movement occur. Does the seeing go anywhere? Right? Stillness or movement, both are known. Both are seen. Is the knowing of them, is the seeing of them disappearing with activity or with stillness? No. Is it a different seeing for knowing, for activity than it is with stillness? No. It's the same knowing. There's this, you say, I know stillness or movement. I know when my attention is focused versus scattered. What sees? Just be the seeing. See, this is you recognizing that you're already out of the movement, the battle, the constant change. You're learning to acknowledge without any effort on your part, right? As I said, you're not trying to understand, you're not doing. This is just literally coming into your experience. All you need is just to practice what I'm saying right now by trying not to do anything or interpret or understand, analyze. All those things that you believe will get you something, drop it all. That's where you're wasting your energy. Instead, be here. Follow the instruction. Not later, now. Even later is just a thought, now. You're here as the changeless. You're here as the seeing, the knowing, within which all change is known, appears and disappears, comes and goes. This is what I want you to get used to, or become receptive to. Again, how? Not by trying to do something or change something or realize something, just by practicing what I share in this simple little video. Carry on. Thanks for watching this video. Just two things before you go. If you want to learn how to implement the teaching that we cover on this channel in a step-by-step format and really develop your understanding of it in a faster way, make sure to watch my free 1 hour class that I'm offering right now. And second, if you want to work with me personally to help you dissolve mind identification and return to peace through self-inquiry, check out my program down below. It's called the Higher Consciousness Shift. Enrollments are now open, so just check out the details and book your free call, and we'll see if it's right for you. That's all I have for you today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.